Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Connor
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you the best bullion coins, bars and everything else under the sun, shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. I had a moment there, didn't I?
You did, it was perfect, I loved it.
Yeah,
welcome back.
Stays in on camera, doesn't it?
Yeah, it will. I'll zoom right in on your face for that one.
Great, thanks for that.
No problem. We have a bunch of boxes here.
We do.
And we're going to rip through them and try and find out what's in them.
Yeah, I think I vaguely know what's in here, but I actually don't know what's actually in each box. So, and some of these I don't think I've seen before.
I don't think we've even had them in store before. No,
so this could be pretty interesting. There'll be paper and cardboard flying everywhere.
Absolutely, and there's boxes within boxes within boxes.
There is. And they're flipping heavy boxes, so it's not easy to just rip into them.
But usually if the boxes are heavy, that's a good sign, isn't it? You've got some loot in there.
Yes. So, mate, it's like every day's Christmas around here.
It is. It is. If we need to do a Christmas special, no problem.
Alrighty. What have we got? Oh, more packaging.
More packaging.
Just what you need.
But you do have to keep it safe.
But wait, there's... Ooh!
Wow!
Oh no, that's just the plastic over the top.
Were you scared that was
yeah, I thought
scratches?
it was a crack because those maples have scarred me. Those magnificent maples, they came in and they're a bit on the dodgy side, but these are not.
So tell us about these. What the heck is this design?
What is it? This is part of the
St. Helena.
Yeah, but it's got a name. It's got a name. It'll come to me. The Victories. So
the Victory Angels.
Yep. So this is Victory through Harmony. So you can see beautiful coins, all in. Are these the 5-ounce ones I ordered? Just looking on the side here. 2022, 3 nines, 5 ounces. Woo-hoo!
Hell yeah!
So the 5-ounce St. Helenas are in. They're a beautiful, stunning coin, and they're just of that size. The 5 and the 10 ounce are my favourite sizes, particularly the 10 ounce. In a coin, because even in 5, the planchet is big enough that you can draw the detail out and you can get some detail in the background. So if you look closely at these coins, instead of on a 1 ounce where it disappears into the background a little bit, you can see all the feathering, the detail in the feathering. The I don't know what this patterning in the back is. It has a formal name and I can't remember what it is, but the patterning in the back actually starts to stand out. It almost has this three-dimensional view, almost. It's not quite there, but this section of it, because of the detail, it starts to look three-dimensional. You've got the leaf she's holding in front of her face, you've got the wing behind, and you can actually see that because the planchet's big enough to actually get the detail in it. So they're a beautiful coin, and certainly worth adding to your stack, just for a bit of variety, even if you only get the one. But if you can get a few...
Yeah, you're happy about these. These are actually stunning. I'm really looking forward to having a close look at those.
I'm going to move them out of the way.
Absolutely, and we're going to rip open the next one, and hopefully it's a different one.
If it's not, I'm blaming you because you put them in this order.
I did grab all the boxes, and I did just pile them up completely.
Oh, I had someone in store the other day commenting on my superior knife skills.
Yes, yep.
Or actually ducking for cover while I was using the knife.
There have been a few times where I've needed to duck for cover as well.
These are the same deal.
That's right.
I'm pretty sure.
What we'll do...
No,
they're
not. Victory Angel. Ah, darn. I didn't even remember I'd done this.
You forgot these?
I don't know. Let's open them up because I put in a request for a different design of the St. Helenas. And I'm not sure. We're about to find out. So a lot of these things are as exciting for me as anyone else because I get to actually find out what's going on.
They turn up and you've ordered them however long ago.
They are too. So let's do a side by side. So that's the one that we just opened, which is the Victory ones. Victory through Harmony. These are the Truth ones. Oh, see, that's terribly mean because now you've got to buy both.
Oh, you have to.
You can't just have one.
No, you can't. You can't just go with the one.
Terrible.
They are gorgeous designs.
They are, and again, because of the larger planchet, you're getting that detail, you're getting that three-dimensional feel out of it. And they are They are a beautiful coin. I'm sorry to bring them in both at the same time.
So here's the question. We'll put the
Blow
question.
everyone's budget for the month.
Yeah, absolutely. Everyone's already complaining about that. So here's the question for you. If you only had to pick one of these two, what's your first thought? Which one would you pick?
Oh, good grief.
Yeah.
That's mean.
That is.
I would probably get the truth because I like the design fractionally better, but like we're splitting hairs here. And the other reason is I know they're a little bit more harder to come by.
Yep.
I'd be almost tempted to get neither if I couldn't afford both.
Oh.
Which,
that's sacrilege.
As a bullion dealer, I shouldn't say that.
Yeah, that's absolute sacrilege, Michael.
But if you buy one, you're always going to go, oh, but I wish I got the other one as well.
Absolutely.
So I'm just, yeah, I don't know. That's a difficult question.
That's all right. Let's move on to...
Just get both.
Yeah.
Silver's a great price at the moment. Just get both. Trust me on this one.
We've got plenty. So if you do want some of these angelic coins, we've got lots and lots of them.
Can I just redefine that?
Yep.
By saying plenty, we have a few hundred.
Okay.
And they will go relatively quickly.
Yeah, all right.
So by plenty, he means buy them within the week.
Yeah, by plenty, yeah, all right. Yeah, touche, you got me there. I'm glad you're here because I wouldn't have picked up on that one.
Yeah. Put it this way, I would have put in an order 5 times this size if I could have.
Where did these ones come from?
No, they came out of the States.
Yeah, okay. Was it a debacle to get them over the seas?
Oh, it wasn't easy. See, these are more victories. You sure
We actually have some more boxes,
We
Michael.
did. We found some more when we were poking around. So just goes to show the chaos that it is around here. We're like, what's those ones? Blast.
Yeah, that could be them. Let's rip them open and see what we've got in there. We should have a bit of a mixed bag, shouldn't we?
Let's start here. It wasn't very decisive, was it?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Makes for the content, right?
Whoops. Man, can't cut a straight line to save yourself at the moment.
Ooh, this looks unique.
This looks like eagles, but I didn't order eagles. So either they've sent us the wrong thing, or what I suspect they've done is reuse some packaging.
Interesting. Eagles was definitely not on the list today, but...
No. And I don't know if to be excited if they're eagles or disappointed because, you know, I'm not buying eagles at the moment because the premiums are too high. So in some ways I'll be going, oh, cool. But in other ways I'll be disappointed that we didn't get the other stuff we ordered. I suspect it's a Reeboks.
We hope.
Yeah, it is.
Beautiful. Oh my gosh.
Oh dear.
All right, let's start with the gorilla in the room.
Yes, the one that I wasn't going to show on camera.
Now, what is this? We got a couple of tubes.
I actually have no idea. I don't know what they've done here, and I don't even know if all these tubes are the same thing.
Well, there's one way to find out.
Yeah, that's right. So they are. I do love unpackaging these things. I love my job.
So what have we got here?
Griffins.
Oh, yes. And these are 2 ounces, aren't they?
Yes, they are.
Now, these are part of the Queen's Beast series?
Correct.
Beautiful.
So you can see Queen on the back with the 2 pound, 5 pound these were, weren't they? Because they were 2 ounce jobs. And then, yes, you've got a Griffin of Edward. So,
what are your thoughts on that design there?
I love the design. So you can see the Griffin in the background there with the wings, and then the tail coming down.
Very majestic looking. Very. That's a very clean design from what I can.
Yeah, it is. Now I believe, and I should have grabbed one if I'd realised we were opening these in this box. I would have. I believe these fit into our 2 ounce capsules. So through the magic of television, miraculously, 2 ounce capsule has just arrived.
So, the big question, does it fit?
Look at that. Like a brand new one.
Perfect.
Funny about that, it is a brand new one. So yeah, made to measure. So if you're ordering, a few of these, or one of these, up to a few of them, absolutely we can encapsulate them for you and get them sent out, or you can come into store and pick them up. So that is a fantastic coin that is now available in very limited numbers. I'm suggesting, without opening the other boxes, this is about all we ordered. So there'd only be a couple of hundred here at most.
Beautiful.
So, yeah, stand by on that one. You'll see that one listed. It's going to take me ages to list this on the web.
So,
Alrighty,
the next big question, which box do you want to do next? You got the
All right,
small,
we do the little fella.
small one, let's go.
Because I thought that this was hiding the some of the Kongs, but
Evidently not.
evidently not. So now I'm curious as to what's in here. Mate, if you enjoy opening Christmas presents, you should really apply for a job at Bullion Now.
Sounds like there's a position going.
Oi!
What have we come across here?
These are fantastic. Actually, I can ditch the glove because these are plastic coated. If I can get one out. We haven't seen these for a little while. So these are 250 gram bars. Quite unusual to see a 250 gram bar.
I've seen these on the internet. These are beautiful.
We actually had some old stock that I got rid of recently. And now we got a lot of requests for them. So we grabbed some more because they were available. So these are a 2020. Actually, those ones would have been 2021s, I think, or even 2020s. These are 2022s. So 250 gram. The East India Company. So quite a, let's say, checkered history of the East India Company.
Very, very,
without getting political or going into any of those things.
Yep.
Irrespective of all of that, the bar is beautiful. So, again, I don't think I've got a lot of those, but grab them while you can.
Box number 3.
Alrighty, what have we got in here? I'm suspecting more of those 250 gram bars, but hang on a sec. Yes, they are. Perfect. So there's another 48 in there.
Good news. It's good to hear that we have more and more stock.
It is. Good to see them getting through customs and all that sort of jazz that drives me nuts. So I'll just make sure they are what I think they are. Oh, good one, idiot. It'd be alright if I knew how to open them. Yeah, so they're more of that there.
Gorgeous.
So beautiful stuff, which makes me suspicious on the last box.
What could be hiding in this one?
Well, I actually thought we had a few more of those come in, so I'm suspecting that, yeah. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Oh, no?
Forgotten all about these.
I think that's the 3rd or 4th time you've said that this video.
Box has taken a hit, so it'll be interesting to see if it's caused any damage in there. Alright, you've got to get your hands on one of these. Oh, don't tell me they've just reboxed the other things. Oh, they have two. I thought these were the other one that we'd ordered.
But still, you do have to get your hands on one of these.
Absolutely. So that's okay. They're all good. That's the right number in, so that makes far more sense. So that is an epic unboxing.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Michael.
No worries. We'll see you again later.